If you want chickens that are friendly, productive, beginner friendly, and excellent egg layers, black sex links are also known as black stars or black rocks, might honestly be one of the best backyard chicken breeds out there. Today I'm sharing everything you need to know about black sex link chickens, from egg production and personality to the pros and cons of raising them in a backyard flock. Welcome to Sweet Poppy Homestead. For those that don't know me yet, my name's Jess. We are a family of 5 growing lots of food on our edible landscape in the suburbs. We are always adding on and sharing, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Our goal is to eventually replace the grocery store in regards to produce and eggs. And spoiler alert, we already produce all our egg consumption here on our small 1/4 acre lot in the suburbs of Southern California. Today we are talking all about black sex link chickens. You can see our black sex link chicken behind us here. Black sex link chickens are one of the most popular chickens for backyard flocks, and honestly one of the easiest breeds for beginners. If you have seen black chickens with goldish reddish feathers around their neck and wondered what they are, there's a good chance that they are a black sex link chicken. I'm here with our black sex link. This is Sparkles. Make sure to stay until the end so you can hear all about Sparkles. Let's get into it. So what is a black sex link chicken? Black sex links are hybrid chickens created by crossing 2 different breeds together, usually a Rhode Island red rooster with a barred rock hen. The really interesting thing about sex link chickens is that you can tell males and females apart at hatch based on their color. That's where the term sex link comes from. The females are usually mostly black with some gold or red coloring, while males are lighter with barring or white stripes. Personality and temperament. One reason people love black sex links is their personality. They tend to be friendly, calm, social, curious, and very food motivated. A lot of them become incredibly tame, especially if handled often when young. In our experience, they're usually very active foragers too, which makes them great for backyard and homestead setups. They love scratching around the garden looking for bugs and greens. Egg production. Now let's talk about the main reason so many people get black sex links: the eggs. These chickens are excellent layers. Many hens can lay around 250 to 300 large brown eggs per year. That's a lot of eggs for a backyard flock. They also tend to start laying fairly early compared to some heritage breeds. If your goal is egg production, this breed is definitely worth considering. All right, cold and heat tolerance. Black sex links are generally pretty hardy birds. They tend to handle cold weather fairly well because of their body size and feathering. And while they can also do well in warmer climates, shade and fresh water are especially important during hot summers. Since we're in a suburban homestead setup, we always try to provide plenty of airflow, shade, and natural areas for our flock to cool down. All right, let's talk about the pros. Pros of the black sex links. Some of the biggest pros are fantastic egg production, beginner friendly, friendly temperaments, easy to manage, hardy birds, efficient feed to egg ratio, and also good for free ranging. They're honestly one of the best practical chickens if your main focus is reliable egg production. Cons of the black sex-link chickens. There are a few downsides too. Because they're because they're hybrids bred heavily for laying, they typically don't live as long as some heritage breeds. They can also slow down more noticeably after their peak laying years. And unlike breeding true heritage breeds, black sex links won't reproduce identical offspring because they're hybrids. So if you hatch their eggs, the chicks won't necessarily look or perform the same. Are they good for beginners? Honestly, yes. If someone asked me for an easy backyard chicken breed for eggs, black sex links would absolutely be on the list. They're productive, friendly, adaptable, and generally low drama in the flock. They're a really solid choice for suburban homesteads, backyard flocks, beginner chicken keepers, families, and anyone wanting lots of eggs. Let's talk about our black sex link chicken. Her name is Sparkles. She is our best forager in our flock and the most curious and intelligent chicken we have. She loves to explore and is always the first one to come up to me and follow me around. As a chick, she would often fly away and not want to be cuddled, but now as an adult, she is one of our friendliest chickens and enjoys a cuddle. She is high on the pecking order, and out of all our chickens, she started laying eggs first at 22 weeks old. She did not want to lay eggs in the coop at first and made her own nest in some plants, but eventually she started laying in the coop, and her eggs are relatively big in relation to her size. Overall, black sex links are hardworking little chickens, and it's easy to see why they're so popular in backyard flocks. If you have black sex links, let me know your experience in the comments because I always love hearing about everyone's flocks. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more homestead, gardening, food forest in the suburbs, and backyard chicken content. Now is the perfect time to check out my video all about bantam cochins. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you do not miss out, and please let me know what chicken breeds you would like to hear about next.